Enter full screen. Ariel.
Good morning.
Good morning. I see Ariel is on the screen too, but I don't see her picture yet. So I don't know. Maybe she's having windy weather today. You got the remote. What are you gonna watch? What are you gonna watch with your remote? Were you watching something before?
No.
No. Do you watch TV? Sometimes. What do you get to watch? What's your favorite?
TV.
Oh, okay. Do you ever watch what's that one, my friends? Oh, they're the Super Readers. Super Y. Oh, they're a good show. They're friends with they're on the channel with Sesame Street and Clifford the Red Dog. They have good shows on there. You learn lots of stuff and it's fun and it's funny sometimes. Oh, I see Ariel's screen is going like this. Ariel's screen is flashing. Where's Mila today? Wonder if Mila's gonna come today. She's supposed to be here. How's your weather? I got cloudy weather today.
My weather is sunny.
Oh, you're so that's so nice. I got cloudy weather. It's a little chilly too. Ariel, I see your name, but I don't see you yet, Ariel. Hold on, Ariel. I don't see you. I can hear you. There she is. She's back. Oh. Okay. Oh no.
Something's going on with the camera on our end. I'm not sure. It keeps going off.
I see that. Oh yeah, it is. Oh
I'm
no.
gonna try exiting and getting back in.
Okay, yeah, do that because
Yeah.
I don't think, yeah, it's not on my end and it's not Sasha's end.
Yeah, no, it's something on our end. I'll log back off and back in.
Okay. Sasha, do you have, today we're making a bird picture. We're also working on,
Mama.
you should have the plate. Oh, here's Ariel again. Let's try. Let's let Ariel.
Papa. I'm going to play potato. I'm going to play potato.
Yeah. That one's for tomorrow. Hold on. Don't use that one. That's for tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Oh.
For today is a white plate.
Uh-huh.
And then there's a small gray piece of paper.
No, I went
Ariel, I hear you, honey. I do, but I don't see your face yet. And then there's this little streamer, and we're gonna paint or color our plate, and it's gonna be a bird. We might use a little bit of scissors. And it's flashing. We're gonna use our plate like this. We're gonna make a bird today.
Papa, आपके पास हमने करोगे? हैं?
There's Ariel again, but I'm not seeing her.
पापा, आप मेरे पास बनाने में करोगे?
Let me send Ariel a message here, Saisha, because for some reason she's not able to. It's going to be a. All right. Yeah, there's your plate, your gray paper. Good job. You got your little streamer. This is going to be the tail of the bird. And then you can color your crayons, or I've got crayons by me today, or markers, or if you have paint, you can paint. My friends in my morning class, they did paint. But if you don't have paint, that's okay. You can color with crayons or markers. There's Ariel. I see her. I can see her face. I can see you. Don't go away. Wonder what's going on with the connection of the camera today. All right, we're going to start. I'm not sure. Mila might.
There we go.
Oh, no, I can see you. I can see you. It's all right.
Oh, there it goes again.
Oh. Oh, no. All right. Let's start with Saisha. Saisha's here today. Today. Everybody shout. Hooray. Saisha's here today. Ariel's here today. Ariel's here today. Everybody shout. Hooray. Ariel's here today. All right. There you are. All right. Today is May 4th. There's the bird on the picture. The bird is flying. May 4th. And today's day of the week is, does anybody know? Do you know what day we are on? Sasha, yesterday was Monday. Today is May 4th. Yes, it's Tuesday. Did you know that it's Tuesday, Ariel? You're drinking something? What are you drinking this morning? Juice or milk or water?
What are you drinking?
Milk, strawberry.
Oh, you drank it all. I heard it. I heard that straw. All right, girls. So this week, we are talking about birds, and we are talking about Mother's Day. So we're going to split it up. Yesterday, we started our new letter. Drop my marker. What letter did we start yesterday?
I know.
Yes, Sasha.
Why?
Ah, all right. Yay. We're almost at the end of the alphabet. Oh, my. You guys are getting so smart. Yeah. So I want you to take your finger. Put your finger up in the air. Wiggle it like I am. Point up. Point down. Point to the right. Point right to the left. All right, your finger ready? We're gonna make the letter Y in the air. Make a V and then put a line down. Make a V and put a line down. That's capital Y. Use your pointer finger, Ariel. Oh, you were doing the picture. Oh, I see what you're doing. This is Y in sign language. Right now we're making the Y in the air. And then here's small y, lowercase y. See that? It looks like a little V with a tail. All right. Now, we will use a big Y if it's somebody's name, right? So we had a friend in our class named Yasmin or Yolanda. We would have a big Y for their name, just like big S for Saisha, big A for Ariel. But words we're gonna do have the small y, the lowercase y, okay? Saisha, this is a picture of what? What did we make yesterday?
Yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Oh, it does look like it, Ariel, but this is not what that is. Do you know what it is, Saisha?
Yo-yo. 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 Yo-yo.
Can you say yarn?
Yarn.
Yarn. This is a ball of yarn. We had a piece of yarn for our.
Yo-yo. Yo-yo.
It does look like a yo-yo, Ariel. Yes, it does. But it's a ball of yarn.
No, it's not yarn.
I'm going to show you the picture of the yo-yo, Ariel, okay? I have more stuff in my letter Y bag. I added more pictures today. Let's find the yo-yo. Ooh, I think it's in here. Oh, it is. Here is the yo-yo. Yo-yo is blue. And there's the word yo-yo. And if you look at it carefully, there's a little string that you would put your finger in and make the yo-yo go up and down. Up and down goes the yo-yo. Yeah, it's tricky. I don't know if you can do the yo-yo yet if you're not big enough. But there is the yo-yo. And the word, see the lowercase y? Y-O, Y-O.
Papa.
Good job.
Okay, bird and
Let's see what else I have in my bag. You want to practice writing your letters in a minute with me, Saisha?
What?
Do you have a marker or crayon? Can you write some words? Write some letters with me?
Papa,
Okay. Saisha, what does this look like?
An aeroplane.
An airplane, it looks like, Ariel. It's in the water, Ariel.
I know.
Yes, Saisha.
It's a boat.
It is a type of boat. Okay, it is a boat, but with the letter we're on is Y. So this is called a yacht. Can you say yacht?
Yeah.
A yacht is a fancy boat. Look how fancy it looks. Shiny. Yeah, a bunch of people can ride on the yacht in the water.
See our little people?
Is there a little person up there? Yeah. Yeah, I see one. I see one, Ariel. And now I see you, Ariel. Good job. Thank you for.
I want juice.
Yeah?
I want juice, okay.
Oh, okay. All right, here's another one. What is this picture, Saisha?
Egg picture.
It's a what?
Egg.
It is an egg. Very good. Now, the yellow part in the egg.
That's so heavy.
Oh, look at all the colors you have, Saisha. Good
Whoa, that's so
job.
woolly.
Ariel, you have muscles. You carry that box of juice. Ariel, you eat eggs?
Yeah.
You eat eggs? Yeah. Do you know what the yellow part is called in the egg?
It's a turtle. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I'm going to tell you. It starts with our letter of the week. Yolk.
No.
Yolk. Yeah, that's what it's called. The yolk. The yellow yolk. See that? And it's yellow. Good job. All right. Oh, that's a good one. What flavor is it, Ariel? Yeah. All right. How about this one? What do we see this guy was? He's not a cow. You see he has a horns. It's called a yak. 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 Do you remember that one? Yeah. Work on writing your lowercase y there, Saisha. Good job. All right, friends. My friends in my other class thought of another one. Who likes yogurt?
I like it.
You like yogurt? Yogurt?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, and the word yogurt starts with the letter of the week. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to show it you.
Ms.Julie.
What are you showing me, Saisha? Very good. Here's the word. Here's the word yogurt. Look, starts with letter Y. Ariel, what kind of yogurt do you like to eat? You like strawberry yogurt?
Nope.
No. Peach? Peach yogurt? Blueberry? Blueberry's good. Sasha, what kind of yogurt do you like?
All of them.
All of them.
Strawberry yogurt.
Yeah. There's the letter Y. I underlined Y. Y for yogurt. Does anybody else know of any Y words? I thought of one. I thought of one. I thought of one, Ariel. Ariel, do you have a backyard? Who has a backyard?
I have a backyard.
Yard starts with our letter Y.
I have a backyard.
What do you do in your backyard? What do you do out there? Here's the word yard. Ariel, do you have a backyard? Your yard is where you may have your a table or a swing set, or you may have a little fence where your dog might go outside. It's called a yard. Yard.
Papa.
All right, guys. So there's not that many words for letter Y. So we only have a couple words, so we're going to review them, okay? Because it's a tricky letter. But in your journal I sent you, there should be a letter Y page. There should be a letter Y page, guys, to practice writing your letter Y's. There should be the dots, and you should be able to trace the lines, okay, guys? Now, today we are talking about birds, and our craft is to make the bird. I'm going to show you my bird pictures. First, I have a little song. Let's do the little song, and then I'll show you all the pictures of the birds. If you listen to the song, then we can make our own little bird. All right, so here's my bird song. It goes like, I got some birds. Look, I got some birds. Oh, Ariel's gonna sing? Good job. High five all the way from my house to you. Okay, so the bird song goes like this. It goes, once I saw a little bird go, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the windows to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail feather and away he flew. Oh, have you ever gone to try to talk to a bird at a tree? And then they get scared and fly away. They fly away, right? You gotta be quiet. You want to go sneak up and investigate the bird. You want to see what they look like, maybe hear what sounds they make. I'm gonna show you some different bird pictures and then we will make our bird together. Okay, there's a bunch of different kinds. I have some pictures. Okay, the first one I have is this one. Look at the belly. The belly is like a reddish orange, and it's called the American robin. Robin. Okay. I have, ooh, this one's very pretty. Ariel, maybe you've seen this one before. This is a yellow bird. And the yellow bird is called the American goldfinch. Look at this one. Yeah, goldfinch. And look, he's got like black and white tail. He's fancy. Look at that bird, Saisha. All right. Oh, this one you may have seen before. It's blue. It's called a blue jay. Look at the blue jay. It's very pretty. Right? Oh, how about the red bird? Have you seen a red bird fly before by your trees, Saisha?
No.
You've never seen it? Yes, Ariel? You know, yeah, look. This is the cardinal. 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 Yeah, cardinal. It's a red bird. Look at his beak. His beak is orangish red. Cardinal. Yeah. Okay. We got another one. It's called the woodpecker. Have you ever heard of a woodpecker? He makes a knocking noise. Here's what he looks like. He's got little, ooh, he's got a little bit of red on his head. Red. And he's got black and white and brown on him. And he pecks with his beak at the tree and makes a knocking sound.
Knocking sound.
Yeah, and he's looking for insects and bugs in the tree. All right. Has anyone ever seen these ones? These are called doves. Morning doves. These are a very popular bird. I have some that lived by my house. I have some that live by my house in my backyard, and also come in the front yard too. Morning doves. Okay. Where do all these birds live? Or where do they make their home? Do you know? Where do these birds live? Yes, Saisha. Yes, I'd love to hear from you.
They make a nest on our patio.
Very good. They do make nests. Yes. That is what we're talking about. Nests. Here, oh, look at this one. This one's brown and white. It's called the song sparrow. Ooh, he looks different than the yellow one, doesn't he? The song sparrow. There it is. All right, we're gonna make our bird in a minute. Are you paying attention? Here is one more. The hummingbird. Ariel, look at the hummingbird. He's got a long beak. Look at the screen. He's got a long, look at his beak. The hummingbird. All right, girls, we are gonna make our bird now, okay? Thank you for listening. So, Saisha, you're gonna need your colors your dad brought over for you. Yeah, your dad put your box down there, I thought, with all your colors. I saw it. So, here's your plate. Ariel, you got your plate? You got your stuff? We're gonna make our bird now. All right, so can you fold it in half? We're gonna fold it in half. We're gonna fold it in half like this. All right, let me show you the picture of what our bird is gonna look like, girls. Here is the bird. This is what the bird's gonna look like. We're gonna color it and attach the feathers, and we're gonna make a little wing on the bird.
Daddy, I'm going to make it slowly that way.
Okay, we gotta fold it in half. That's our bird, Ariel. Okay, Ariel, we're gonna color it now. Okay,
Sorry.
here guys, look. So I folded mine in half too, and we're gonna lay it down, and then we can start coloring it. Any color you want your bird to be. Any color. I am going to use.
Hello?
I'm gonna use my crayons today. I am going to use my crayons today. Ariel, what color bird are you gonna make? I'm gonna make brown and red. I am going to make the robin with the red on his belly. I'm gonna use my brown crayon and my red. And I'm gonna color my bird. Brown and red. Ariel, you have colors? You have colors, Ariel? Oh. Are you gonna make a rainbow bird? What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Oh, red. You could make a cardinal, a red cardinal. I'm gonna make a robin. What? Oh, I see blue. Maybe you'll make a blue jay. Would a blue jay be nice?
Make a purple color.
Yeah, your bird's gonna look very nice. I can use more than one color. I'm gonna do some red and orange on mine. Purple. You're making me a purple bird, Ariel? Oh, hold your crayon the right way there. You know how you. Oh, another color. Okay. I added some red to my bird because the robin has red on the feathers. And it'll look nice. Wow, look at all the colors you're using, Sasha. Love it. Good job. Now, when you guys are outside, you can look out for different types of birds, different colors. Maybe they You were outside already today? Or later? You're gonna go out later? You have nice weather today?
To go in the pool, and then Mom say no.
Oh, yeah. You wanted to go swimming in the pool? Yeah.
And my mommy say no.
I know. Sometimes the mommies have to say no. Maybe another day you can go in the pool. Is your baby getting big, Ariel?
Yeah.
Are you still being a helper for your baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. You be a big
I was trying to squish her toy.
Oh yeah, you were playing with the toy for your baby?
I was trying to squish it.
Oh, that's good. What's the baby's name again? I forgot.
Noel.
Oh yeah?
My baby se llama Noel.
Okay. Good job. So what colors are you guys adding on? Oh, Sasha's got a lot of colors.
And my baby calls.
Your baby talks?
And Hilly Morehouse got the melon.
Wow. You have a lot to say about that baby. All right. So look at mine. I colored some red and brown. See my bird? He's red and brown. And I put a black polka dot for his eye. See, I made him have an eye on him so he can see. Now, to make him look like he has a triangle beak, you might need help to cut a triangle. Your mom or dad or whoever's helping you might need help. Or you can cut it yourself if your mom or dad wants you to use your scissors. Let me show you what Miss Julie did. So I'm making my, there's the beak. It's going to be a triangle. What? What did you have to say there, Ariel? Okay, so I'm going to make a triangle beak. So it looks like a bird. There's his nose. There's his beak. You see it? Look at what I did. See, I colored his nose, his beak yellow. Okay, I'm gonna add some more yellow on there. Oh, more color. Oh, Ariel, what song are you singing? Are you making up your own song again? I love it when you sing songs.
Oh.
All right, so look, this is how my bird looks so far.
6 penguins, 9 penguins, 10 penguins.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about, but you've got it going on. All right, so now, Daisha, this is the tail. You have the tail of your bird? Ariel? Ariel, do you have the tail? Little piece of crepe paper?
19, 20.
Did your, oh, that can be your tail of your bird. It can blow in the breeze.
89, 20.
So your kit never showed up, huh? Not yet. Wow, Sasha, what a beautiful tropical bird it looks like you made. I love it. Okay, so we're going to add the tail on. You can either glue it or you can tape it. He's going to put hers on. I'm going to put glue. I have my glue stick. Oh. Count with me in a minute. I want to count with you in a minute, Ariel. Oh, there's my tail blowing in the breeze, the bird's tail. Oh. Okay. Now, there was another piece. There was a piece of gray paper. That's for you to make an oval to make a wing on your bird. So Ms. Julie will show you. I'll draw it on my paper and then I'll hold it up. You just make an like a wing for your bird, so it looks like the bird has a flapping wing. Okay, here's the shape I made on the gray paper. Kind of like a leaf shape. And that's going to be the wing of the bird. We're going to cut it and put it on our bird. Ariel, you want to use your scissors?
Ready?
Do you have your yellow scissors? You're always good at cutting. You're always good at cutting, Ariel. You've been practicing a lot. All right, Ariel's gonna cut hers out. Good job. Hold it correctly. You know how to do it, Ariel. Put your fingers in. You know how to cut. Oh, can you turn your, let's turn our thumb up to the sky. Sasha, you know how to use the scissors? You point your thumb up to the ceiling when you cut scissors. And you look at your work so you can concentrate. And there we're gonna have our little wing for our bird. And I'm gonna glue it on to my bird. I'm gonna use my glue stick and glue it on. Oh, good cutting practice there. You're concentrating. Look at Sasha's, it's a very colorful bird. You know where you can see that? You can see one of those birds at the zoo. Sasha, if the zoo opens up, you can see tropical birds like that at the zoo. Not sure if the zoo is open by you, but when the zoo opens up, you can see tropical birds.
I want to go in a zoo. I want to go in a zoo.
Yeah, me too. It's been a long time since I've been. Maybe this summer I'll go. See how my bird looks like the robin? He's got a wing. He's got his one eye. He's looking for food. I use brown and red for his feathers, and his tail is going to blow in the breeze. Good job, girls.
I think it's not working.
What's not working? I think you're doing a great job.
Why you do that? I think it's not working.
Then your camera started working again. Hold yourself. Turn it around. Ariel, I want to see the front of your bird. Looks good. Turn it around. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Is your bird going to land in the tree? Is he going to build a bird nest? Tweet, tweet. Yeah. Is he loud or quiet bird? Chip, 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 chip. Tweet, tweet. Oh, there's Sasha. Good job. All right, girls. Oh, yeah? I never heard that sound before. That's a good one. Oh, be careful. It needs to dry. Get it off the floor. You can put it back on. You might need help. Okay. All right, girls. We have to practice our Mother's Day song. Okay? So, you can, this afternoon, I gave you guys these in your, and I can send them to you again, Ariel, if you want to. These were in your kit. You can color these because we're going to make a Mother's Day card.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, so it goes like this. It goes, Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day, I love you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Ariel, can you sing it with me? Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day, I love you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Yeah, you can sing that for your mom on Sunday. You think you can do it? I think so. You love to sing. You could do a great job. Vera, Sasha's already doing great.
Happy Mother's Day.
So if you want to do some coloring later, I can send these again. Ariel, I'll send these to you again. They were in the kit. I don't know if you received the kit, but I'll send these. You can color. This one's got hearts. Best mom ever. Okay? You can do a very good job coloring when you make pictures for your mother, okay?
All
right. I have a question. Are you guys going to go outside this afternoon? If you're going to go outside later, I want you to listen and look for birds. And then maybe you can tell me if you saw any birds out or if you saw a bird nest.
Ms.Julie outside.
You've seen one? Saw one already? Oh, Ariel's going to make her own song up.
Outside, it's a cloud.
Oh, it is cloudy. Okay. Well, if you get outside, maybe you can look for a bird or a bird nest or listen. Maybe you can hear something. like a bird. All right. Ariel, I'm glad your camera started working again, and I will see you tomorrow. Ariel, Saisha, I will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Oh, you're gonna sing. Oh, Ariel, I love it. Have a good rest of your day, friend.